Now let's discuss about the negative angles. If we have negative angle with sine, cosec, tan or cos or sec or cot, then what value does these takes? Now you see we have range of sine inverse x from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and here the sine inverse function is negative. So it is coming in the range and it is negative over here. That's why we have written minus sine inverse x. Again, for cosec inverse minus x, again we are moving from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, excluding 0. So it is again coming in this range. That's why we have written it as minus cosec inverse x. Similarly for tan inverse minus x. Now you see this is cos inverse minus x. So the range of cos inverse function is 0 to pi. And cos is negative in second quadrant, and for second quadrant we write pi minus theta. That's why I have written pi minus cos inverse x. Similarly, it is for sec and for cot inverse. Now you see the second thing. Now in class 10th you have read that inverse of sine is cosec. But here when it is inverse trigonometric function, if the angle is 1 by x, then only we can write it as cos inverse x. It is cos inverse 1 by x, then only it is sec inverse x. Now, third is the three important properties which we will be using in many questions, and these are the combination of sine inverse and cos inverse gives you pi by 2. Cosec and sec, that means the reciprocals are giving you pi by 2. Tan and its inverse gives you pi by 2. Now let's discuss the important formulae of inverse trigonometric functions on which the whole chapter is based. First of all, the important formula, which is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is very easy to remember, and in boards this formula is used in the questions given. 1 tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. And if it is minus over here, then we can change this plus to minus and this minus to plus. Now, we have three formulae for 2 tan inverse x. Now, whichever form is required, you have to apply that form. 2 tan inverse x is sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x is also cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse is also tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. You can easily remember it that tan inverse x will take the negative value itself, otherwise it will be positive for sine